Hello guys, welcome to my channel NetCast on WebTech Zone. In this video tutorial, we are going to see how to clear history on your Reddit app. If you're using Android phone or iPhone, you can follow the same step. I will show you in my Android phone. So let's start with the video. Uh, let's go on my mobile screen. So guys, here you can see this is my Android application, sorry phone, and I'm going to open the Reddit application to my mobile, and here you can see it has opened now. And in order to change clear or delete your Reddit history, so you have to click on your profile photo and you will see option like this. Now you have to go in history. In history you will have all history. I have only one history where I have just comment. You can filter history from here. If you want to find history only upward, downward or hidden, anything you can, or you can resend. Okay, click on resend, it will be show everyone everything. So here, if you want to clear history, you can go in this three dot option and click on clear history. Then your history will be clear. Okay, the your own post will be not clear from here. I did not post anything, so it is not show here. So that is how you can clear history from your mobile app Reddit. I hope you like this video. Thank you for